Apart from accent, how can you tell someone is British? 1. Randomly yell Sweet Caroline. If you get a bum back, then they're British. 2. We are hella good at football chants. While USA are just chanting attack or defense. We are composing parodies of Beethoven. 3. Ask them about the price of a Freddo. They will start complaining. 4. Anything getting dropped in a pub. There will be an automatic weave from everyone. 5. After a night in the pub, they have to go to kebab shop, but not any kebab shop. It has to be a kebab shop no one would dare go to if they were sober. 6. They eat beans on toast. 7. Try singing 0800 8. They spell color instead of color. 9. They refer to a cigarette as homosexual man. 10. Their slang is mostly the opposite of what it says. For example, that's brave means you're insane. 11. While I was at Boston Airport, a random American asked me for the date. I said, Tuesday 6th, because us British never pronounce T's. This person started giggling and said, I thought you was British, and walked back to